Unboxing an honest review of the ultimate gadget. Is it worth your money? Here is a step-by-step guide on how to conduct a review. 1. Understand the purpose of the review. Define what kind of review you are conducting: product, service, performance, etc. Set clear objectives. Are you evaluating quality, performance, pros or cons, or giving recommendations? 2. Research background information. Gather details on the item or person you are reviewing. Understand the context, history, specs, or features. Provide a well-informed opinion. 3. Experience or use the subject. If it is a product or service, use it as intended. Take notes on your initial impressions, ease of use, benefits, and any potential drawbacks. If reviewing a performance or piece of content, immerse yourself and record your reactions in real time. 4. Structure your review. Introduction. Give a brief overview of what you are reviewing and why. Body. Break down the key elements. Pros. List the strengths or positive features. Cons. Mention any flaws or drawbacks. Experience. Share your personal experience, what stood out, and any unexpected findings. Conclusion. Summarize your overall thoughts and offer recommendations. 5. Rate or score. Optional. Assign a rating, such as stars, a numerical score, or pros or cons summary. Make sure your scoring system aligns with your feedback. 6. Be honest and balanced. Highlight both the positives and negatives. Avoid extreme bias. Aim for constructive criticism. And before we proceed, in order for you to have this great feedback, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. 7. Provide evidence. Include photos, screenshots, or real-life examples to support your points. Back your claims with data or comparisons if applicable. 8. Be clear and concise. Write or speak in a clear, engaging way. Avoid jargon unless your audience is familiar with it. 9. Conclude with a recommendation. Answer the question: is it worth buying, using, or watching? Suggest who would benefit from it or who should avoid it. 10. Invite engagement. Encourage readers or viewers to share their opinions or ask questions. If it is for a video review, ask viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me on this review journey. And remember, every experience brings us one step closer to finding exactly what we need in life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews, tips, and inspiration. Your support means the world to me and keeps this magical community growing. And always remember, the magic you seek is already within you, waiting to be discovered. Until next time, keep shining, stay curious, and embrace the magic in everything you do.